Hello gladiators, welcome to GLA Media Scoop TV. You're watching the monthly updates and biggest highlights from GLA University this March. I'm Anmol Nagpal. Let's get straight to our top stories this month. The Festival of Colors was celebrated in grand style at GLA University with Holi Milan Samaro Perf 5.0, an event by the staff and for the staff. This year's theme was Mahakumbh. The event was graced by Vice Chancellor Professor Anup Kumar Gupta, Registrar Mr. Ashok Kumar Singh and other university staff members. The evening saw vibrant singing, dancing and poetry performances. The highlight of the event was the breathtaking Samudra Manthan act and Shiv Parvati Holi performance, a visual treat that stole the show. A major moment in space exploration. Indian-American astronaut Sunita Williams is back on Earth after an extended 9-month space journey. But did you know that computer science played a vital role in her mission? To understand the role of computer science in such groundbreaking missions, we have with us Professor Ashok Bhansali, Dean of Computer Science Department at GLA University. Professor Bhansali, welcome to GLA Media Scoop TV, sir.
Thank you very much.
So, my first question to you is, space missions like Sunita Williams' recent journey rely heavily on technology. How has computer science evolved to make such complex missions possible?
So first of all, I would love to congratulate you and everybody else that we really could be successful in bringing the Sunita back. It was the foundation of computer science which helped launching her into the space, and it is again the computer science breakthroughs through which we really could bring her back. So computer science just could not launch astronauts, it can bring them back as well. That is what I would love to see. And the way, like I remember initially she was sent to the space probably for 9 days and she got stuck there, came back after 9 months. So 9 days to 9 months, surviving over there in those crucial conditions. The movements of the spacecrafts, the data sending, navigation system, radars, and all kind of things, they're all driven by the foundational computer science technologies. So I would say the things are changing very fast and computer science is fast becoming part of every physical or non-physical system. And that is a fact. Everything is being driven by emerging technologies. So everything, like whatever you say, it is even if the spacecraft mission, then from emerging technologies like AI, data science, the computing, the image processing, the analytics, the predictions, so everything lies. The fundamental concepts of computer science and emerging technology are really helping us moving forward fast in these directions. So I believe computer science plays a very crucial and significant role in all space missions which have happened or which are due in time to come.
Space and tech go hand in hand. Now shifting focus back to our own tech landscape. India's IT sector is booming. How do you see its role in the next decade? And what skills will be most in demand?
Yeah, so that's really very interesting question. And the way things are evolving, it's really very difficult to predict what lies in the future. If you look into the things that all emerging tech domain, that is also getting disrupted very fast. Everybody is talking about data science, machine learning and kind of thing. And at the same time, we see that the news coming out from Google, from IBM, that they are working on quantum computing kind of things, which can really revolutionize the entire computer science journey. The way algorithms used to work, the way computing used to take place, the way the NP-hard problems, which theoretically takes years and years to solve, these all can be solved within 5 minutes or so. So I believe that a whole lot of stuff is there which is hidden, which is being uncovered through the journey of evolution which is taking place. And if you look into the market, the geopolitical situation these days and the IT industry, so it's not just tech domain, rather it is the global economics, the global politics. So everything is helping take a better shape or putting in kind of challenges to the market, and nobody really knows how the things will evolve. But then there are few fundamental things which we really can work on, which will help everybody. As a country, we are an IT leader, but then yes, we need to spend a lot in groundbreaking research, whereas we are lacking today. We need to spend a lot on our education, the upskilling, the kind of demographic dividend we are going through. If our youth are unskilled, if they are unemployed, then it poses a whole lot of challenge. And that is what the government is putting in its best effort in this direction. And as educational institutes, it's our prime responsibility towards students and society.
Well, exciting times ahead for Indian tech. Speaking of growth, GLA is taking steps to shape future coders. So, the new Code Experience Center is a great initiative. What's the vision behind it?
Yes, we recently have launched this Capgemini Coding Experience Center, and this is one of its kind in the entire North India in partnership with Capgemini. And the simple logic here is that this is what we call as industry academia alignment in true sense. If we really can support industries and industries can support us back, that is the whole objective of industry academia interaction, industry academia collaboration, and this is what is the beginning. And I'm pretty sure that in times to come, very soon we will be entering into a phase wherein we will help Capgemini creating or developing their softwares, and this will be a kind of co-creation that is taking place in time to come.
Great insight, sir. Industry collaborations like these will surely benefit students. Thank you, Professor Bansali, for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Legal minds put their skills to the test as the Institute of Legal Studies and Research hosted the prestigious GLA Moot Court competition on March 29 and 30. The event, organized in association with the Competition Commission of India (CCI), brought together top law students from across the country for a gripping courtroom battle. A huge achievement for GLA University, the BSc Honours Agriculture program has now been accredited by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research (ICAR), a significant milestone in academic excellence. GLA University was a battleground for some of the sharpest minds in coding as it hosted the ICPC Asia West Championship on March 7 and 8. The final showdown was a 5-hour programming contest where top teams from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Iran competed. A grand award ceremony wrapped up the event celebrating innovation, teamwork and excellence in competitive programming. And now, the biggest buzz on campus. Spandan 2K25 is just around the corner on April 4 and 5. Get ready for an electrifying lineup featuring Bollywood music chart burster Ankit Tiwari, stand-up comedian Inder Sahani, and rap sensation MTV Hustle fame Panther, all set to take the stage and entertain the crowd. With 17 thrilling sub-events like fashion show, dance and singing battles, GLA Master Chef, debate, poetry and more, Spandan 2K25 promises to be bigger and better than ever. Stay tuned for an unforgettable celebration. And that's a wrap on this edition of GLA Monthly Updates. Keep following us for all the latest happenings on campus. Until next time, this is Anmol Nagpal from Team Branding signing off. Stay informed and stay inspired.